Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Nate here back with iOS 6 Beta 4 now running on my iPhone 4S. And one of the big changes that a lot of people are talking about right now is that no YouTube application was included in this build. So whether this was a mistake on Apple's part or deliberately done though remains unknown. Apple is definitely trying to break off ties with Google though, as we saw in iOS 6. They removed of Google Maps and integrated their own mapping solution. And now that the YouTube application is gone, a lot of people are wondering whether or not this was done on purpose. Now, it was removed on the iPhone, the iPad, and the iPod Touch, but it is still present on the Apple TV iOS 6 Beta 4 update. So I don't know if it was a mistake on Apple's part. It definitely could have been, but it also could definitely have been deliberate as well. If they did that, I would be very disappointed. I do use this application quite often because I use YouTube on a daily basis. It wasn't the best application in the world, but it did get the job done for me. But you could always go to the mobile YouTube website very easily as well. So let me know what you guys think about that in a comment down below. Next, I'm going to show you guys a screenshot that I was presented with after installing iOS 6 Beta 4 on my device. And you'll see here it says the update was complete and it was successfully installed. So basically what it did after this was walk me through the same initial setup process that you would usually get if you were installing iOS 6 fresh on a device that had no data. So I got the location services screenshot right here and also the Apple ID sign-in. So I'm not sure if Apple's going to present this after every single minor update too. They haven't done that in the past, but I guess it is possible. So we'll have to see if it presents itself in iOS 6 Beta 5 too. Then the next thing that we're going to take a look at is in settings, and it'll be under the privacy section. And the first thing here is the Bluetooth sharing. So any apps that use Bluetooth to share your data, you'll be able to enable which apps have access to Bluetooth in this privacy section right here. Then you've also got Twitter and Facebook sharing that have been added right here as well under the privacy section, so you can control which apps have access to your accounts. Next then is under General and Cellular. You'll now see there is the Wi-Fi plus cellular feature right there. It says this will allow apps having trouble with Wi-Fi to use cellular data. This is great because there are a lot of times where maybe the Wi-Fi connection I'm using is inconsistent, and instead of having to turn off Wi-Fi and then connecting to cellular, this can be done automatically with this feature. And you also see under Use Cellular Data for, there is the Passbook Updates feature now available. Next, we'll head into the Passbook application itself, and you're going to notice there's a link to the App Store now. So I'm assuming Apple's going to open up a new section in the App Store that will have apps that can integrate themselves into the Passbook application. So when I select this, though, it does say that it cannot connect to the iTunes Store. I'm assuming this is just because Apple hasn't opened up that new section yet, and we'll probably see that in upcoming betas. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If I uncover any new features, I'll be sure to upload another video for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.